Happy 2024. We have the $475 puts on the SPY. You heard what I said. Our entry is $2.50. We have a gap down in the SPY of $2.80. This is short-term trading with stop losses, order entry management. This is the daily chart with the gap down in the SPY. The 50-day moving average will have support, but that's going to be way down here. So we're going to deal with, right now, the 20-day moving average, which is at 468. And that is where we will look at coming out of the put options. We have a daily sell signal on the SPY. And the big rally that ended 2023 was stretched. And we already did the S&P. Yes, these are bull trends, but bull trends get overbought. They went parabolic up, knowing when to take the profits. Better yet, you better know how to pick the strike prices. We got the right one, and we do. And we bought the 475s, and we're going to hold these. There's 6,000 contracts. People are buying the 473s with 28,000 contracts. Look at this one. The volume on the 472, they bought 72,000 put options. Oh, yes, they did. And that big ass volume. When I say big volume on the put side, why? Because they're overbought. They're overbought. And it's time to ring the cash register. And we got earnings season. Listen, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Let Tommy Trader guide you through in the options with the daily charts and know how to get paid and when to take the profits, take the emotion out, keep the stops.